Here's how to enter a custom food such as bananas measured by grams into MyFitnessPal. So I'm going under snacks, I'm going to touch add food and search for banana. And I've used various things that have the word banana in it, but I'm just going to type search so it'll give me all the banana options and just choose the one on the top because it has a green check mark. It's reliable. Now serving size, it says 1 medium, so I'm going to touch where it says 1 medium and choose 1 gram because that's how I measured on my food scale. Touch the black check mark. Then, since I weighed mine and it happens to be, let's say 40 grams, I touched where it says number of servings, and if for some reason it's not letting you type in numbers, you can double click it and choose select all, and then you can probably, the keyboard should pop up by then if you're having issues with that. Make sure you're not on fractions. Go to decimal and you'll be able to type in numbers. Let's say mine was 40 grams. Then touch the black check mark toward the middle where you're still inputting numbers. And it should say per 1 gram, I have 40 servings of that. So now we're good. 9.1 carbs, 0.1 fat, 0.4 protein. I'm going to touch the check mark in the upper right corner. And there it is.